Welcome back to the HSE tutorials. In today's video, we will solve the Nebosh Igc1 question. Identify the costs to an organization after an accident in the workplace. Most people think an accident only affects the injured worker, but the truth is, it can cost the business a lot more than you might expect. We'll break it down into direct and indirect costs. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to HSE Tutorials. Accidents in the workplace are often the result of poor health and safety standards. When an accident occurs, the organization may face both direct and indirect costs. Direct costs. These costs are measurable expenses directly arising from the accident, such as lost production and work time, investigation and reporting costs, damage to machinery, equipment, or property, paying wages or sick leave to injured employees, costs of hiring and training temporary or replacement staff, legal fees, fines, or penalties from enforcement authorities, compensation or civil claims from injured parties, increased insurance premiums, indirect costs. These costs are hidden or longer-term consequences of an accident. Indirect costs are often difficult to measure precisely and may be hard to identify, such as decreased employee morale and motivation, disruption in teamwork or trust among workers, staff turnover or absenteeism, damage to the company's public image and reputation, loss of clients or contracts, reduced profits due to loss of business opportunities.